Looking for kitchen plumbing services in Ardrossan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how essential a properly functioning kitchen is for your home. From leaky faucets and clogged sinks to new appliance installations, our expert plumbers provide fast, reliable solutions tailored to your needs. Whether it's a simple repair or a full kitchen plumbing upgrade, we ensure top quality workmanship every time. In Ardrossan, local water conditions and seasonal changes can lead to unexpected plumbing issues. That's why our local experts offer efficient, affordable services designed to keep your kitchen running smoothly. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert kitchen plumbing services in Ardrossan.